What's up, everybody? This is Siddharth Kosik, and you are watching Siddharth Art. And I'm uploading videos for those who are facing problems in their artistic life. So, today I'm going to teach you how to draw accurate outlines. So, this video is going to be really fun. If you are a beginner, then this is the right video for you. For that, I want you to do one thing, and that is subscribe my channel so that you are gonna never miss any future videos. So let's get started. Here I'm taking the picture of Spider-Man. You can also take other pics also, and if you want to draw this picture of Spider-Man, then the link is given in the description. You can go and check that out. And the last task is that you will get a task at the end of the video, so do not skip the video and continue watching, because this is a tutorial video. So here I'm starting with the eyes, so I will draw the eyes first, taking the measurement. Well, I'm not referring to the grid lines, I'm doing it without the grid lines, as you can see that. It is very important to observe the lines, observe the model in order to draw it professionally or to make it realistic. As you can see that I am drawing the outlines very carefully, and in order to draw the shoulders I am taking the proper measurement and seeing the picture, my original picture, and taking some measurement, and the line I have started below the eye. The difference may be 1 centimeter. Now I have drawn the hand, and then I'm taking the measurement, and as you can see, you draw the shoulder in order to draw the hand. And I will quickly draw the costume, and drawing costume is not very hard, but the major problem every artist faces while drawing is their physical shape, I mean their body. You should always remember, while drawing pictures, while drawing portrait, you should always hold the pencil lightly and making outlines very lightly, because if you make any mistake, then you have to erase it. So if you do it lightly, then it will be very easy for you to erase out all the outlines that you have drawn. I am here using the mechanical pencil. You can also buy a mechanical pencil from the market. It is available in the offline market also, and you can also buy it from the online market. Well, this one I'm using this one I have brought it from offline market. Well, now I am drawing the hand. In order to draw the hand properly, I am taking measurement, not taking measurement, actual measurement. I'm not using the scale. Now I'm drawing the other soldier, so the other shoulder would be the eye level, between the eye level. As you can see, I have drawn it like that. The hand will be quite short because it is below and it is related to perspective. And if you do not know anything about perspective, then don't worry. Simply subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment below and say something, and say that you want a video on that perspective, and I will show you and make a video on that, giving my guide, my experience, and how you will draw it. Now I'm taking the measurement from the above hand to draw my knees, because the knees are just lining up from the hand, the left knee I'm talking about. As you can see in the picture on the left, that exactly resemble like that. Now I'm drawing the leg very carefully, taking some measurements, and I want to tell you that I will also make a video how to color this type of uh, images. So I would like you to comment something that what color I should take, what color I should use, or I should use this picture. Well, let me see. Now I am drawing my leg, and it should be done very slowly, and don't think like that I'm not erasing anything. Well, I am doing it fast little bit so that the video can be covered within 10 minutes. So don't make a mistake. Take your time, draw slowly, and you will be able to draw perfectly like the professionals do. Now I will draw the strip lines very carefully, seeing the picture, observing the picture. I'm drawing it, and as you can see that and it is advisable that if when you draw it, when you make the lines, it should be really a single line. Do not make break lines, because it really affects your picture, your drawing. It does not add any value, believe me. As you can see, you are not too far to get our final output. So please like this video, because there are a lot more videos coming in the future, so that, and I don't want that you miss those videos. So I simply urge you to subscribe my channel again and press the bell icon, so that you never make or never loses out any videos, any future videos from me. Now I'm making the stripes clearly, no make lines, and then alright, that's looking great. Okay, that's looking great, and we have completed our drawing. And if you like this video, please tell us, and also comment something.